The last perspective I want to look at is God's perspective. And God's perspective is the most important. And when it comes to God's perspective, He deals with heart issues. We look on the outside, but God looks at the heart. In the Pharisees in Mark, what did He say about them? He says, they honor me with their lips, but their heart is far from me. They look good on the outside. They look religious, but God knew their heart was not towards Him. And God's perspective is the most important because according to Proverbs chapter 2, in verse 4, let me read this. Proverbs chapter 2, verse 4. It's talking about wisdom, and it says this. It says, if thou seekest her as silver, and searchest for her as hidden treasure, then shalt thou understand the fear of the Lord, and find the knowledge of God. For the Lord giveth wisdom, out of his mouth cometh knowledge and understanding. God's perspective is the most important because God is the only source of all truth, all wisdom, and all knowledge. And it's good for me to evaluate others' perspective, but when it comes to living my life, I want to live it from God's perspective, from a sovereign God's perspective who loves me more than anything else, that he gave his son for me. But not just me, for you also.